Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for February 23rd through March 8th. And before I get into the forecast, I'm going to talk about the current trend. We have an area low pressure system. Get back here, moving through the south, and this is bringing a variety of weather hazards. This is also bringing snow across the Carolinas into Virginia. It's 7 p.m. tonight, and then we have rain across areas of the southeast that already experienced heavy rain. We're taking a look at the latest radar, and this is out of, I think, Macon, Georgia. But you can see we have heavy rain here. There's numerous flash flood watches. This is in effect until 1 a.m. This flood warning is in effect. Oh, it does not expire. Flood warnings. All these flood warnings are in effect. These are, looks like they're mainly along rivers here, you can see. And we have heavy rain, possibly embedded storms here. This will be entering parts of, let's see, Higgins Mill at 421, Box Angle by 433. I'm just going to go through a few. Cork at 440 and Juliet by 443. We have numerous cells here, and if we go up to the north, this is where the snow and ice is falling. And we have winter weather advisories in effect for across many areas. And like I said, the soil moisture remains very saturated with rivers and streams high across portions of the southeast. And this will make flash flooding concern throughout this evening. Okay, so what else do I want to go through? Okay, now we're going to go to the forecast. This is for the period for February 23rd to 27th. And the flow will transition, you can see here, from a zone of flow to a nearly zonal flow at above normal heights, to a more amplified flow with a trough in the east, ridge that will be over the eastern Pacific into the west. And then we have below normal heights that remain across Alaska and Greenland. Okay, we'll go back to the other maps here. We'll have a southern stream system that will push through the central and southern Rockies and then lift northeastward on Tuesday. So we go back here. I'm going to show you the system we're talking about. You can see it right here through the southwest southern Rockies. That's Saturday 7 p.m., Sunday 7 a.m. Then we go to Monday, Tuesday, then it starts lifting northeastward. And this will be bring a risk of snow and ice limited to the northern and western periphery of the precipitation shield. And heavy mountain snows are expected Sunday across the central Rockies, spreading into central plains. And then we'll have moderate rain that will spread east from the middle Mississippi Valley, Tennessee, and Ohio Valley to the east coast. See right here. And then we'll have another northern stream system that would move through the area right here on Monday. And this will push onshore northwest and bring up enhanced low elevation rains and heavy mountain snows. This would be Sunday and Monday. Okay, now for the period for February 28th to March 3rd. And the pattern remains generally unchanged. And we'll have a ridge of the eastern Pacific into the west and a trough in the east. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures west of the divide, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal, and then we'll have below normal temperatures from the plains to the Atlantic coast, with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. And then we'll have Above normal precipitation for this region here, probability of occurrence is 35%. Now we're going to go forward and we'll look at the period for March 4th to the 8th. And all in all, we'll have a ridge that remains of the Eastern Pacific off the west coast, and we'll have a broad trough covering much of the nation. You can see it right here better with the European ensembles. So I'm forecasting for this period above normal temperatures for the west coast states, with the anomalies will be near 2 degrees above normal, and then we'll have below normal temperatures for much of this area here. I think this might be cut back to the plains, but we'll see on that tomorrow. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees below normal for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. And I'm forecasting the probability of occurrence 35 to 45%. Then we have above normal precipitation region, and again, I saw some models might be pushing this further north, but I'm going to be conservative, keep it further to the south. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for February 23rd through March 8th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.